work independently so that our people can get development.
Moingo joma mine gi nyithindo manyiri 4,000 mawuok e gwenge mag Norija Loita e kar chung'od bura ma Narok ma milambo nyalo buonjo tok chik yienegi ni koro gibiro bedo gi ratiro mag lope kaachiel gi oboke ma opuodhi. Felix Kisalo, Commissioner ma Narok ma milambo yango ni okang' makama dhi konyo bero ngima wakeini ma kuom thuolo ma okalo osebed kituono ratiro mag e gwengego. Jodak bende opuo chenro ni ma giluwo ni dhi konyo e chulo dongruok.
Kama ikipata shamba inalinda watoto yangu na jirani yangu na nipanda na ninipenda Mungu sana.
We have a station where the Maasai now will have a say in the management of the land. Will have a say in the ownership of the land, and they will have a say even on the land that the husband has been registered to. So it's a milestone. It's a milestone. At least now, for the first time, we recognize a woman can have a right, a land right.
Because even those in polygamous setting, each wife has been allocated land. This is a remarkable departure from most of our African societies, where land is perceived to be patriarchal, to be men-driven. In this part of Narok and in the heart of Maasai land, the community has accepted to embrace even more than 50% gender parity in terms of land